tayo for tonight. Fundamentals.
Part 2.
Yoga.
Okay.
Child pose.
And come back to your down dog. Right foot up. Put it in between your hands. Look forward. Huwag mong galawin. Huwag mong galawin yung kamay mo din. Ang paa mo, hawakan niya. Saka ilalim. Ilalim mo sili. Ayan. Ayan. And then hands down. Stay. Baba mo pa yung katawan. Ayan. Stay. Okay, from here. Left hand up. Left hand. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Look over your right thumb. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Relax. Inhale. And exhale. And hands down. Right hand up. And twist more. Inhale. And exhale. Look over your right thumb. Over your right. Yeah. And hands down. Knee down. Knee down at the back. Tuck your toes at the back. Try to put your ankle on the mat. From here, try. Ang hips nyo lang ang gagalaw, hindi ang knee. Look at my knee, ladies. Kapag kinukang ko ang knee ko, ang hips ko ang bababa pero ang knee ko hindi gagalaw. Look. Slowly. Hold your core. Tuck in your belly and spine up. Align your spine and slowly hands up. Push nyo pa ang hips nyo down. Okay. Make sure itong knee mo is in line with your ankle. Nakaganyan lang siya. So, bababa. Patalikod mo. Sige pa. So, ayan. So, ganyan yan. And hands up. And down. Padapot mo ito. Ayan. Forward. Try to stay here for a few more minutes. This is for, kapag natutumba kayo, that means you're not in line. Inhale. And exhale. Kita mo yung resistance ng kamay mo sa katawan mo? Hilain mo yung kamay mo pataas, ang pwede mo pababa. Yan. And slowly, hands down, and hip at the back. Push your hip at the back. Knees in front is straighten. Try to straighten. Kung hindi kaya, try to put your heels on the mat. Kung hindi kaya, pero Merl, dito ka. Sheila, just try to put it like that way. Huwag masyadong mababa.
Hindi ka na mo.
Hindi. Itaas mo yung pass. Yan. And, body up. Try mo ito. Yan. Sige. Yan. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly back. Knees down. Both hands on the mat. Both hands on the mat. Knee at the back up. And stay here. Knee. Ibalik mo yung palm, yung toes mo. Slowly. And hands forward. Hold your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on the mat. Feet in front at the back. And flap. Flap. And chaturanga down slowly. Hindi na masyado kang mabilis. And slowly cobra up. Shoulder forward. Look forward. Look over your right toes. Look over your right toes. Twist your body to the right and look over your right heels or toes. More twisting. And come back forward. And do it again on the other side. Twist to the left and look over your left toes or your left heels. And slowly forward. And slowly come to your down dog. Tuck your toes, down dog. Left foot up this time. And slowly put it in front of the mat, in between your arms. Never yan. You will, alam nyo, pag ginagawa nyo yan, nakupang kayo, in a long run, the alignment is not already there. So put up. Pag nandito yan, hawakan mo lang dito. Ipunta mo ron. I-jump mo lang siya. And then hands down. Yun ang karamihan na ginagawa kasi nagkakamali. Basta na lang ginaganon-ganon. So, nawawala na lahat yung mga alignment natin. So, if possible, kapag nandito ang paa nyo, it's either igalaw nyo pa ganyan, konti-konti, we will wait for you. Tapos, pag nandito ka na, and then, saka tayo gagalaw ulit. Okay. Knees down at the back. Untuck your toes at the back. Come up. And hips down. Jelly, alignment mo sa paa. Forward mo pa yung paa mo. Yan, forward mo pa. More, 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 more. And down. And hands up. Try to pull your hands up and try to push your hips down. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down and hip at the back and try to straighten your knees in front. Kung hindi kayang straighten, you can just put up your toes, heels on the mat. Yung may kaya, stay here. Merl, you can just drop your head towards your shin if you want. Kung hindi kaya, just stay wherever you are. As long as your spine is straight. Kung dito lang kayo, dito lang kayo. Kung dito kayo, dito kayo. Ang spine ang importante na naka-straight dito. Breathe. Nararamdaman nyo dapat dito ang masakit, hindi dito. 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly back. And tuck your toes at the back, knees up. Left hand on the mat, right hand on the mat, left hand up. Kung hindi kaya, you can put your knees on the mat and untuck your toes here. And hands down, right hand up. Twist more sa right side. And hands down. Anong susunod dyan? And from here, dito tayo. Untuck and come over here. Hands forward. Try to pull yourself forward more. Kung kaya, do. Inhale and exhale. And slowly, hands down, feet at the back. Plank and chaturanga down and cobra up and come back to your down dog and paddle your feet slowly. Parang, alam niyo, slow motion lang. Mararamdaman niyo kung gaano kasarap ang pagkuhan niya. Okay, from here, come to your plank. Sheila, hip up. Hip up. Up. Yan, stay. Dina, down pa. Shift your body forward, Dina. And stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down dog.